Hi everyone. Another chapter in our lowrider custom era has begun. The current fervor in the Harley scene is all about performance, and that's exactly where we started with this project. Having recently extensively converted several ST models, it was now time to take the lowrider S a significant step further. We have redesigned the lowrider S from the ground up and spared no effort in the process. We focused on maximum performance for all new parts. Minimal weight with high strength and a super sporty design were the requirements. The first step was to create new triple clamps, which we milled from aluminium blocks. After production, these were anodized gold and then refined once again in our milling machines with a bicolor design. In addition, we have designed new lower fork sections that can now accommodate radial brake calipers. These mounts were also milled from solid aluminium and given a gold anodized finish. The stanchions have been DLC coated to improve responsiveness, and the diameter of the brake discs has been increased to 340 mm to underline the overall performance. Our pullback risers with speedo mount were specially developed for the current lowrider S and fit perfectly with the new triple clamps. Together with the butted aluminium handlebars, which have also been newly developed, this setup gives the lowrider S a typical club-style character. In addition to the new front end, the GT wheels are another feature. The larger rim diameter is the most striking change to the series. At the rear, the diameter has increased from 16 inches to 18 inches and at the front from 19 inches to 21 inches. These are multi-piece wheels that are manufactured in-house and, like the triple clamps, are elaborately milled. Here too, the design elements are refined with a bicolor design after coating on our milling machines, giving these wheels a three-dimensional look. Thanks for watching.